Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to convert your mono audio track into a stereo audio track using Audacity. So without wasting too much time, let's jump right into the video. So guys, as we all know, the mono audio track just gathers all sound into one channel, while the stereo track on the other hand splits or separates sound into different channels, two different channels to be precise, which is left and right. So that being said, let's continue with the video. So this is my Audacity, and then as you can see, the audio I brought in here is already showing here that it's a mono track. So in order for us to convert it to a stereo track, all we have to do is just select the entire audio, go straight up to edit, duplicate the audio. Now the audio is on two sides, same audio, but it has been duplicated. So the next thing we're going to do is select both audio and then come here, come to this arrow pointing down, click on the arrow, then come down to make stereo track. So guys, as you can see, this audio in general has been converted into a stereo track. So that's just the simple way to convert your audio from mono to stereo. Simple. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and if there's anything you want to ask, put it down on the comment section below and I will make sure I answer all your questions. So that's it for now, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.